Ikea, the biggest Ikea in the world. I could have been in the stairs too. It would have been more faster.
So today we're in the biggest Ikea.
Yeah,
and
we are the Relentless Cruise Family. Subscribe to the Relentless Cruise Family if you want to see more videos just like this. Hit the bell and like and subscribe.
Make sure you guys count to 30 because that's what I'm gonna count to. Okay?
Okay.
So go.
No, kind of. Okay. Well, Dad's gonna count to 30.
I'm counting already.
Oh, okay. Have the best hiding spot. Right here. It's right here. Alright, Mom.
30. Here we go. I found her. What are you doing?
How did you find me?
Why are you sitting down there?
How did you find me?
Because it's a good spot. I was thinking of going in those right there. But I was like, let me look right here.
Oh.
One more to go.
Hey guys, I think I found my hiding spot already. Jayleen's helping me. I got to. Oh, I got her. Am I good here? I think I'm good here, you guys.
Well, you're not able to get by the right ready.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna try to deepen. My dad hasn't found me yet, so I'm gonna have to like pop out since like I hear it's really hot. Oh damn it! Oh man! Oh my god! I think I saw someone. I saw someone that works here. Okay, bye guys. I think I've been trouble. Okay. I saw that. I'm gonna hide here for now. Because that place was really good and I got to. Oh my god. I need a hiding spot. I'm ready to get rid of it. You're trying to tell me where my hiding spot is. I'm like in the sink room here. Wait, shut down. Oh my god, I can hear them. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hello.
I changed hiding spots. I was right there.
All right, I got
And
all
I went
5
here.
of them. All
That
5
could
of
have
them.
been good.
Wow, you styling, girl. Look at that. Bam, Ikea.